Today we are at the Orlando Premium Outlets behind us, and it is so busy that we parked in the garage, the parking garage, and it's $12 per car, and it's the busiest we've ever seen it here.
Yeah, wild.
However, we are here to show you the Disney Character Warehouse store, which is Disney's outlet store. This one's the better of the two outlets. And that's probably why it's packed, but we do a lot of these outlet stores, and we thought we'd show a Disney one. Now, this one was suggested to us.
Okay.
It's been a while since we've been in this one, but if you
I don't ever remember even going in this, so it'll be like a new experience for me.
I think when we first moved, we went here. Okay. But if you're patient, you can usually find some pretty good Disney merch and Disney deals. And just for reference, this is the outlet across from Disney Springs. So we are going to walk pretty far behind us because, again, we parked in the parking garage, and we're going to show you just the Disney Character Warehouse. Let's go check it out. So $12 per car to park here. I kid you not, we circled the parking lot for
the outdoor parking lot.
15 minutes maybe?
At least.
15 or 20 minutes. So literally this was the only option we had because we could not find a spot. But for reference, the outlets are across the road here. This is kind of the backside, so we circled all the way around and could not find, we circled twice and could not find a spot. So there's plenty of spots in the garage. So again, here's the garage entrance. It's in the very back of the outlets. So there's a crosswalk right here. Pick a side, but you're gonna, the right side. The right side's not too bad. So we'll just walk over there and get to the Disney Character Warehouse. But you can see paid parking, $12. Cash was $12, card was a little more. We had cash, but card would add a card fee on top of it. There you go, Orlando Premium Outlets. Now, if you do park on the second or third floor, well, third and fourth floor is employee parking, but they do have this walkway, which is nice. Now, although we are solely going to focus kind of on the Disney store, we'll show you kind of some other options they've got, like there's J.Crew, Converse, Coach. I will say, out of this and the outlets on iDrive, this one is a little nicer and has kind of better stores and more items, but both are outlets and both are usually very busy. But this one's right across from Disney Springs, and they've got a bunch of stuff. We will look at the map here if we can find one. And if you just keep walking through this way, we'll show you where the Character Warehouse is. They've got Columbia up there, Levi's. I don't see a map anywhere, so maybe online would be the best option. And actually, there is a map right here. They also have a food hall down here at the very end. And let's look at the map. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it since it's a screen, but you can actually start again. You can actually choose where you want to go. So let's see. Oh, I just want to explore the map. And can we zoom out? Oh, there we go. Holy smokes, they've got everything. But I know if we go this way, keep your eye out so we can show you where the Disney store is. It's somewhere in here. Let me find it. You can also search it. So, there it is. So we're here. It's right there. So we just need to go straight. So something crazy I didn't know they had here. They have a Birkenstock outlet. Again, we're going to focus kind of strictly on the Disney one, but just know they have all name brands, and they've got Nike, Adidas, everything. J.Crew, everything. And this makes things pretty easy. If you know where the food hall is, the Disney Character Warehouse is literally right there on the left-hand side. Looks like there's a little bit of a wait to get in. We'll see how long of a wait. If it's too long of a wait, this might just turn into an outlet like tour and not just Disney. Yeah, so it's right next to the food hall, which makes it easy. Let's see what they got. I think we'll be fine. And yes, it is very crowded. Just like the parks, you gotta wait to get in. But it's not that bad. I mean, it just depends how many people leave. There's already people leaving, so they just swap and you're good to go. Look at the line going now. Oh yeah. Not sure we will be able to show every item in here as it is packed, but you'll get an idea. And it's only taken a couple minutes so far, and we are getting closer. A quick preview, and it is just a madhouse. People with huge shopping baskets. We'll just look and see what kind of deals we can get. I don't think we're here to buy anything. We just want to show you all they have. And then this Pixar Lightyear things only $4.99. Can we get in? Maybe. Two. Thank you. Oh, wow. Well, if you're graduating and you want a graduation, like Mickey ears, $7.99. This place is massive. Again, not going to show everything, but just going to give some of the prices. $29.99 for A Nightmare Before Christmas. What a throw. Nice. Oh, there's Zero's Little House, $19.99. Here's your Ghost Host, $29.99. Oh, normally, you can see what they normally are. So this is normally $69.99, and it's $29.99. We've got plates, bookends, backpack normally $50, on sale for $29.99. This is your Haunted Mansion section. Shirts are $29.99. Villain shirt, $12.99. Got these, $12.99, or these are $19.99, I guess. Normally $34.99. Adult apparel, $19.99. And the store goes way back. Look at this, $7.99 for a puzzle. Oh, $29.99. That's cool. So your Star Wars. Oh yeah, $59.99. So they got Star Wars, Marvel, and in the back of the store you've got like little kids, youth apparel. Hey, look, it's off the dinosaur ride. Look, yep, it's a little puppet. $6.99. Youth apparel, adult apparel, shirts all over the place. What do we got here? $34.99. Oh, that's cool. Normally how much? Probably quite a bit.
Never know.
I wonder, do you get discounts?
45.
Normally 45. Do you get annual pass holder discounts here? I'd be curious to see. You've got the Disney Cruise Line. So again, if you can be patient and look through everything, if you are looking for actual straight up Disney from like the parks and cruise lines and you want it on sale, you can find some amazing deals. $4.99 for pennant set of 2. Wow, this is insane. Not to mention the checkout line is all the way back here. Wow. I mean, the line goes almost to the back of the store. So you can see the line goes all the way back here. You do not get annual pass holder discounts here. I just ask a worker. They do not offer them at the outlet store. This is probably one of the more popular stores here at the outlets. Just make note that there's a bit of a sour smell in here.
It is August.
August and a ton of people. I'd like to see what the occupancy is in this spot, but it definitely has a stench to it as of today. That's pretty cool though. There's actual pen trading up here towards the exit. Oh, and the coin machine, the penny machines. All right, we're gonna head outside.
Okay, excellent.
And holy cow, it has stayed consistently busy the whole time. Not gonna focus on every store, but we'll do a quick lap just kind of around the area here. You can see it's covered, which is nice. So if it rains, you're good to go. And pretty much any store you want. Now I will say it is currently tax-free month. So Timber got a dress at J. Crew How much was your dress normally?
It was originally, oh, I'm not sure actually. $80.
80, and we got it for $15 and some change. That's how cheap things are here. So, American Eagle. If you end up finding parking, it's actually a pretty nice outlet. I would say, other than, we love the Tanger outlets, but other than Tanger, I would say this is going to be the best place to shop to find great deals, name brands, and pretty much everything you'd want. I love how every outlet mall and mall has an Auntie Anne's. It always makes it smell good. We'll do a lap around and then call it. Look at this, discount tickets. I'm not sure about those. Nike store. Then it circles around this way. Let's see where all we've gone. Zoom out. So really we came in kind of right over here, came up here, came around here. So you can see we'll probably go this way, up and around, and end at Columbia. But that gives you an idea of all the outlets. This basically turned into an entire tour of the outlets. Each store is extremely busy right now, just so you know. Definitely want to see the Birkenstock outlet. Obviously there's a ton of luggage spots here. Everybody walking around always has luggage. You can easily get lost here. Here's the other side of the food hall because it's not the side that has the Disney character warehouse. We've got Adidas, Shake Shack. Just kind of walking down the rest of this way. Tommy Hilfiger. Sunglass Hut. We are finishing this loop and I think Columbia's here somewhere. Hopefully, I guess we'll see. I guess we'll see where it's at. Now, a nice feature of this big screen, let's just type in Burke. Oh, hold on. Oh look, you click on it, it'll tell you how to get there. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
That's so nice. So we're just making, yeah, I'm not gonna go down this way. We're gonna keep going down here, and look, it's next to Columbia, and then we will be done. Here's what we're looking for. Should be right down here. Rounding the corner, we've got Hey Dudes, Lululemon, and here we go, Birkenstock, and then Columbia's just down the way. So there's like two, oh, that must just be strictly shoes. There's two Columbia stores. I'm thinking that one's strictly shoes. Yeah. And down here is the bigger one. And something we like, teachers take an additional 10% off. I think that deal was also for first responders, military, college students. And now we're back here at J. Crew and where we started. That was our trip out to the Orlando Premium Outlets, specifically the Disney Character Warehouse store, which has a lot of good deals, but very crowded. And we found out, though, that this area is crowded every weekend.
Yes, yeah, every single weekend.
You found some good deals, got some teacher discounts?
Yep, that's always a perk.
Yep. And this turned into mostly Disney outlet review, but also kind of a preview of the outlets here. So you've actually been here before, way back in the day?
Way back in the day. I'm pretty sure this was the one.
Yeah. But I think we're going to call it. We're going to cross right here. So with that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.